Hi, this is Joe from Video Joomla Tutorials, and today we're going to cover the messaging systems that are available in Joomla 1.5 that includes the regular messaging system for administrators as well as the mass email feature. So first let's take a look at the messaging system, and we're going to go to Tools and Write Message. And the first thing you'll do is you will select a user to send the message to. We'll go to Larry and type in a subject for that. And then you want to type in a message. There's definitely a whole lot more. And we'll go and we'll click send. So we just sent a message to Larry. Now this also shows messages that we've been sent from Larry. This is where you go if you go to Tools and to read messages. So you can see that we have 3 different messages here. You can put a check in the checkbox and delete, and you can delete one. Normally they'll have whatever the subject is about. Larry's not very good at putting in subjects. And whether you read it or not. So if you want to read one, okay, right there it is. See the subject and the actual message and when it was posted. Okay, and you can reply to it. So, hey Larry, read this. Respond to read this, and so, hey, I got it the first time. And then click send, and then we send a message back. There are also settings here in the private messaging area. You click on that, you're going to see there's a lockbox. There is where you can get an email whenever a message is put in your box, and how days or how many days until the messages are auto purged. So they delete after 7 days. In this instance, if I'm getting a lot of messages, maybe I'll change that to 3. Okay, so that's the simple private messaging system in Joomla. Next we're going to take a look at mass mail. Okay, and we have 2 columns here. One column is the details column, the other is the actual message. Details is going to have to do with where you send the mass mail, who's going to get it, and the message area has to do with writing the message. So let's say that I'm going to send it to the managers and I want it to go to everybody above. Well, they are a child of the manager position, okay, and so I'll put child there. That way the manager will get the message, and then people down below that will get the message. Also, recipients is BBC. Basically what this does is it blocks anybody receiving the message from receiving who got the message. There's also a send in HTML mode, and what that does is it makes it so you can write your message in HTML if you know that. So now we'll go to our message. So here we go, it's called Big Idea. So there's a message there. And then let's say we want to have, well, the subject is Big Idea and you have the message is here it is. But what if you want to always have your name all the time in all the messages you write? What if you want the subject to always be like your company? So for us it'd be Video Joomla Tutorials or Rockford Solutions. What if you want to have that all the time? Well, you can do that, and then also you can have a little addendum that you can put at the bottom of the message. And this is how you do that. You go to Parameters, and you see I already have it set up right here. So the subject prefix, which gets added to the front of every subject that I write, will be Rockford Solutions. Okay, and then the mail body suffix, which is after every time I write a message, it'll say Joe Drouillard, President of Rockford Solutions, yada yada yada. You click Save. All right, and then all you gotta do is click Send Mail, and it'll send it. And then you can see how many people the mail was sent to right here. Email sent to users. So those are the features of mass mail in the messaging system. And come see us again for some Video Joomla Tutorials videos.